Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Welcome to the channel. It is a gorgeous 73 degrees and sunny here today, so I thought let's go outside and do a little simple mod to the Tacoma back here. Now, I did something similar to this in the Tundra recently, and the guys at Tufskinz threw in some for the Tacoma, so I'm going to go ahead and put them on. What it has to do with, let's go ahead and open the inside, are these carbon fiber inserts. Now, I have carbon fiber inserts, of course, in the Tacoma already. I had done a video on these before. I think they just look awesome. They kind of cover up some of this chrome trim. They don't cover up the outside, as you can see here, but with the carbon fiber insert, it looks pretty good. Kind of blends in real nice. So I've got them all the way across, and there's one piece, at least right now, that's still missing, and that is in the steering wheel. I had put these in the Tundra recently, and they're just little inserts that go within the Toyota emblem on the steering wheel. And in this case, I chose carbon fiber to match the carbon fiber overlays that I have over the grille surrounds. So we're going to go over there, we're going to put these in. I'll show you how to do that real quick. It's pretty simple. And then and see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, we're inside here, got you guys set up over the emblem. And again, these are just little inserts that go in between the lines, if you will, on the Toyota emblem on the steering wheel. And first things first, you do want to clean it off, of course, so we're just going to wipe it off a little bit with a clean cloth. And then included in the little kit that they give you here, go ahead and open that up, of course, are the inserts. So we'll take all this out, actually. And then there is an alcohol pad, if you will, to go ahead, oops, get you in the shot, to go ahead and clean out in between the lines here so we get good adhesion. So we're going to use this. Go ahead and rip that open and clean that off. There you go, clean the top of that off. And let's go ahead and get started. Now the tweezers come in very handy. These just pull off of the the pad that they have them stuck to. And the tweezers help to just position these in the little small areas here. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start, as I did in the Tundra, with the most difficult one. And that would be the smallest, of course. And you just push it in there. It's just that simple. Not very complicated. This is definitely not one of the more complicated mods that I've done. Just hold it in there for a few seconds. Make sure you get, again, good adhesion there. Go ahead and do the next one. And of course that one I put in crooked. There, that's better. Go ahead, push down a little, again, just to make sure that they adhere well. Again, I want to compliment Tufskinz for their attention to detail. These things fit really well in here. Nice tight fit, and they fit right. Let's go to the next one. And the next one. I can't stress again how, or enough rather, how handy these things are. These tweezers, man, if you're doing anything small, these things are fantastic. Okay, we're just about done. And finally, the last one. And there you go. That's it. Just a nice little touch, I think, you know? Check that out. I think it looks awesome. Let's zoom you guys in a little bit on it. Sorry. Have to manipulate my holder as well. That's what you get. That's the finished product. I just think it's too cool. Gonna wipe off. I have a little bit of dust I got on the inside there. There. That's it. Pretty cool. Okay, we're finished. Like I said, not a complicated mod. Just wanted to run through it with you guys again, show you how it's done. I think it matches the interior trim that I already have very well. Again, here is a look at the vent covers I've already put in. These have been in probably about a month or so, and absolutely no issues with them. They stick really well, and nothing has tried to pull free or anything. You guys can see them there, a little bit lighter over there. And then, of course, the one that I just did here. See if we can't get that thing to focus. There we go. I just think it's too cool. I mean, if you're going to have any chrome in the truck, the carbon fiber really goes well against it. It reflects off of it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it kind of reflects off of that chrome a little bit and really gives you kind of a neat look. So, not too bad. If you have to have chrome, not bad at all. There are decals you can get to go over these emblems. I kind of like this look myself. And since the rings over here actually still have some chrome around the edges, kind of blends in nicely. Matter of fact, I think it kind of ties everything together. I don't know if I can get the ring in the same shot as the emblem, but you guys can see the other ring over here, and I know it's focusing here. But you can see the other ring over there, and it kind of gives you a nice uniform look in the truck. Again, I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here. Big shout out and thanks to the guys at Tufskinz, to Brad for sending me these. I didn't ask for them, and he sent them anyway, so that's pretty cool. I love the look. You can get them in different colors. Check out their site if you're interested in something like this. You don't have to get carbon fiber. They have many different colors that you can get. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think of this mod. This is one of those simple but impactful mods. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and click that subscribe button on the way out. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day.